it's me, Nam. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. So, for today's video, excited kaayo ko. Kay nabot na ang one of my dreams, which is the Razer Kraken na headset. Kitty! So, for today's video is mag-unbox ta sa akong baby. So, unboxing sa ni siya, guys. Dili sa ni siya appeal tong mga dili appeal tong mag-testing. It's on another video kay nakoy klase. Gaapas ko sa time. So, I'm sorry for that. But, I will upload soon sa iyang quality. Yeah, so, but yeah. I ordered this and napalit din na siya for almost 9,000. So, excuse me. So, I buy this for 8,901 peso. So, what? Oh my God. Look. Ang bigat niya, besh. Wow! So, upon opening the box, makita na to ang headset itself and USB type siya. USB type, then Kraken. Then natay card food. Wow. So makita ba tag card inside the box for gamers, by gamers, and then maybe mo nag-iyang kanang tawag basahon, ang saan paggamit. Then yes, I have a card. Take yourself to the next level. When it comes to streaming, looking good for audience is part of fun. Yes, it's part of fun. I like it. Now, try na siya og musiga ba. This is the most thrilling part of musiga ba yun. I have a sticker too. I have a sticker too. And then, yeah, let me see. Let me just put this up in the side. I'm sorry if dili tarong nga pagka-video karon kay dali jud ko kay plana siya gamitan today's class. So I can't wait. That's why ingani ang video. I'm sorry. Oh no! Naka-clip pa siya. So, I need to take this. Naka-clip pa siya para secured yun. OMG! My Kraken! Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay. So, naka-plastic pa. Bagong-bago. So, let me try to put this on my head. Wait, let me on my laptop. Wow! Wow, 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 wow. USB na siya, guys. Let me try. Goodbye. So, last time, ang headset is katong sa Andromeda Panther. Pero nice man po siya. Pero I want to try the Razer Kraken. So, if it's... Is it lighting? Yes, it is! OMG! Yes, the color is white! Oh! Nice! Nice. So, yeah, it's working good. And I can, yes. Hello, 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 hello. Wait, I don't know how to change the color, but I will study. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned. I will upload the quality of this headset. So, okay ba siya sa being an ESL teacher. So, by the way, naday. Nag-loading pa si Razer. Oh, so I have a okay. So, napalit ko i-set up anhi. Then afterwards, I will see you again next time. Bye! Thank you for watching.